We know that cars have become more technologically advanced than ever. From Bluetooth to predictive technology and self-driving vehicles, the cars of today are worlds apart from what they were even 10 years ago. It stands to reason that the way dealers market their cars would have changed as well. No longer are automotive ads relegated to magazines and newspapers. Instead, automotive marketing has moved to thinking digital, and when it comes to digital, there is no better tool than Facebook. You can use Facebook to build your dealership's brand recognition, convert leads, and even host a catalog of your inventory.
Let's look at some more of the advantages of using Facebook as a means of marketing your dealership online. Firstly, the ads are scalable. Your entire product catalog is automatically promoted on Facebook and Instagram using Facebook's dynamic ads without the need for you to manually create multiple versions of ads yourself. Secondly, they are dynamic and customizable. Facebook knows what device the customer is using and tailors the ad experience to that device. It also uses consumer intent to detect potential buyers and generate a tailored ad that features the most appropriate car and offer for that buyer. Facebook also makes compliance a breeze. With just a one-click disclaimer or text overlay, you may reveal critical legal information when marketing financial services for your dealership. With that out of the way, let's look at the formats of ads Facebook has to offer for automotive dealers to help them build their social media and brand presence. First, there are image ads. With the use of a single photograph and an optional footer, image ads allow you to showcase your automotive inventory and services. There are many formats for image ads that you can use, but JPG and PNG files will always have the best results. Then there is, of course, the video ad. Videos are a great way to engage your audience. Adding movement to your ads will help them stand out from the crowd, and videos allow you to share facts about vehicles and car care in a fun and exciting way, driving interest in your dealership. For best results, post your video in MOV or MP4 format. There are also carousel ads. Carousel ads can contain up to 10 pictures or videos, each with its own link, deadline, description, and call to action. People use their device to browse around a carousel. These are great for vehicle detail pages and promoting specific sales or events. Instant experience ads involve a full-screen experience that appears when a mobile user touches your ad. You may remember these type of ads under a different name, Facebook Canvas. This type of ad was used expertly in the past by Fiat, using images and video to show their professional line of cars and highlight specific features.
A significant amount of effort goes into developing a Facebook marketing plan. One option to take the burden off of your team's shoulders is to hire an expert marketing agency like 7 Social to handle everything for you. We have years of experience in the automobile industry, ranging from marketing to sales. We've figured out what works and what doesn't. Our Facebook advertisements are certain to provide your dealership the leads it desires,